Welcome to Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Today we are continuing the lesson 5 Swavalambi. So the first part of the video contains the first part of the lesson, and we'll continue the remaining part in this video. We'll go to the lesson now. So with Mahi's mother's advice, Mahi started going to the mill. He was taking the wheat in a vessel, in a box type, in the cycle, and he started walking towards the mill. अपनी शर्म मिटाने के लिए गर्दन नीचे कर ली. So while he was going, he was feeling shy. He thought this work he should not do, and he put his head down. Mahir put his head down, and he was pulling the cycle along with the vessel towards the mill, wheat mill. हर आने जाने वाले की निगाहों से बचने का वह असफल प्रयास कर रहा था. So he was not seeing anybody. He was putting his head down, thinking that what others will think of him. He is doing this type of work. He thought this work is only the low people does this work, and for his grade he should not do this work of going and grinding the wheat which is in the box in the mill where they grind the wheat into the flour. चक्की के पास पहुंचकर उसने So he started going near the mill. चक्की के पास पहुंचकर उसने रात की सांस ली. डिब्बा उतारकर गेहूं तुलवाए. Then he started. Once he reached there, he, with the help of the mill person, he kept the vessel that is containing the box containing the wheat, and he started measuring the how much weight it was. चक्की वाले ने माहिर से कहा, भैया एक दो आदमी और आ जाएंगे तो चक्की चालू कर दूंगा. आपकी कोई और काम हो तो वह कर आए. So he said, the mill person, that he was waiting for few more persons, then he will start doing his work. So it will take some time. You go, if you have any other work, you can do it and come. He said it to Mahir. अच्छी बात है, मैं आधे घंटे में आता हूँ. इतना कहकर माहिर ने अपनी साइकिल उठाई. वह सोचने लगा, मैं चक्की वाले से आधे घंटे में आने के लिए कह तो दिया, लेकिन आधे घंटे के समय का क्या उपयोग करूं. Then, as the mill person told, you come after some time. If you have any other work you do. He also said okay, and he started thinking that Mahir started thinking that I told him, but for this half an hour where I would go. He started thinking in that manner. घर लौटने में कोई फायदा नहीं है, फिर कहाँ जाऊं. चलो अपने सहपाठी संजय से ही मिल आओ. So it was not possible for him to go to the house and return back within half an hour or some time. So he thought he will go to his friend's house, Sanjay. संजय के पिताजी की किराने की दुकान है. So he was having, Sanjay's father was having a shop. उसने माहिर को एक बार बताया था कि वह दोपहर को अक्सर एक दो घंटे दुकान पर बैठता है क्योंकि उसके पिताजी उस समय भोजन करने बैठ जाते हैं. So Mahir was remembering that Sanjay has told him sometime before, that is, father will go for lunch and he will take care of the shop 1 to 2 hours. माहिर ने अपनी साइकिल संजय की दुकान की ओर मोड़ दी. Then he started going towards Sanjay's shop in the cycle. जल्दी वह उसके दुकान पर पहुंच गया. उसने सोचा था कि संजय गद्दी पर बैठा सेठों की तरह अपने सेवकों पर हुक्म चला रहा होगा. So Mahir was thinking that Sanjay would be sitting in the place where they will collect the money and he would be ordering his servant to do the work. पर क्या बट व्हाट हैपेंड? उसने जो कुछ देखा वह उसकी सोच के बिल्कुल विपरीत था. सो बट that was not happening there. His friend Sanjay was not ordering anybody there. He was himself doing some work. संजय अपनी दुकान में झाड़ू लगा रहा था. So he was sweeping his shop. Sanjay was cleaning the shop. माहिर कब उसकी दुकान पर आकर खड़ा हो गया उसे इसका एहसास ही नहीं हुआ. अचानक उसकी नजर ऊपर उठी तो उसने माहिर को सामने खड़ा पाया. So even Sanjay was doing this work, he did not even see Mahir that he has come. Suddenly, while he was sweeping the floor, cleaning the place, he happened to see Mahir and he was very surprised to see him. Mahir को देखकर उसे आश्चर्य हुआ. So Sanjay was very surprised to see Mahir there. अरे माहिर आ अंदर आ, 1 मिनट यह कूड़ा फेंक दो. झाड़ू कोने में रखते हुए संजय बोला. So he said, Mahir, you come inside, I'm cleaning. I'll keep this waste basket in that place in the corner and I will come. माहिर ने आश्चर्य से पूछा, संजय तू झाड़ू लगा रहा है? You are clearing the floor. You yourself are doing the work. झाड़ू करते हुए संजय ने जवाब दिया, हाँ माहिर, आज सेवक नहीं आया है इसलिए मैं ही यह काम कर रहा हूँ. और फिर सेवक रहे न रहे इससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है. उसके रहने पर भी कई बार झाड़ू लगा चुका हूँ. So today the servant did not come, Sanjay is saying to Mahir, and even if he is there also, I will clean the shop whenever I have time. माहिर का मुंह आश्चर्य से खुला रह गया. उसने फिर पूछा, तुम यह काम करने में शर्म नहीं आती? So you don't, Mahir is asking Sanjay, you are doing all this work, you don't feel any shy, because all this only the persons who are working with us will do. Why should we do? Because we are owners. Don't you feel shy in doing this work? संजय बोला, अपना काम करने में शर्म कैसी? फिर हमारे स्कूल में भी तो हमें सिखाया जाता है कि स्वावलंबी बनो, अर्थात अपना काम आप करो. अच्छा माहिर, बिस्किट खाते हो? So Sanjay is saying, what is wrong in doing our work? So everybody should feel proud and it is their responsibility to do the work. And that is what in our school also they are teaching us. Our teachers are teaching us that we should be self-reliant, we should be self-dependent, dependent and help others. Would you like to have some biscuit? Like that, Sanjay is asking Mahir. हाँ खाता हूँ, बिस्किट खाता हूँ. खाते हुए माहिर लगातार सोच रहा था कि कक्षा में सबका प्रिय संजय अपनी दुकान में झाड़ू लगा रहा है. इसे वह काम करने में जरा भी शर्म नहीं आ रही है. कितना भला है यह. So he was eating the biscuit and he was thinking how nice Sanjay is. He is the favorite of everybody in the school and he is doing his own work and he does not feel any shy in cleaning the shop. He is such a nice boy. वह आधा घंटा संजय की दुकान पर बैठा, इधर उधर की कुछ और बात हुई. उसके बाद वह वहां से उठकर चक्की पर जा पहुंचा. Mahir was in Sanjay's shop for some time. He was talking with Sanjay about a few things, what has happened, about everything. He was just speaking with him, having some conversation with Sanjay, and after that he went to the wheat flour mill to get the wheat flour. चक्की वाले ने गेहूं पीसकर तोलकर पहले ही रख दिए. पैसे देकर माहिर ने आटे का डिब्बा साइकिल के पीछे रखा और घर की ओर रवाना हुआ. So before he went, the mill person, the mill owner, he has ground the wheat flour, and he also he has already measured the quantity, and Mahir paid the money and he started taking the box kept in his cycle, the box that was containing the wheat flour, and he went towards the house. वह अब गर्दन नीचे नहीं बल्कि गर्व से ऊंची किए चल रहा था. आज उसे स्वावलंबी होने का सही अर्थ पता चल चुका था. So he was feeling very proud now. He understood how much important is to become self-dependent and self-dependent, and he was very happy to learn it from his friend, and this he will not forget in his life. He will always remember this incident. It is very good to be self-reliant and self-dependent. That is to do our work by ourselves. Why we should feel shy? So now he did not put his head down so that the others will see him. He raised his head. He kept his head up, and with lot of confidence he started going towards his house. Today he has learned how to be self-dependent and self-reliant. So this is the lesson Swavalambi. Being self-reliant and self-dependent is the story, this lesson. And everybody should follow this self-dependency till the end of their life, because that will feed good things for our life. That will give us lot of confidence in our life to achieve the ambition, whatever we want to do. So this is the lesson Swavalambi. Hope you all understood. Thank you.